Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren assures of reaching an agreement between Surchanpur JC and the government at the earliest. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan alleges that election in Manipur is equivalent to market and those who pay more win. Centre declares Assam as a disturbed area under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act for 3 more months. And Neroka FC Sangafam beat Lone Star Kashmir FC 1-0 in the 2nd Division League. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Priyo Bharta Sharma with all the top stories of the day. Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren has assured of reaching an agreement between the Surchanpur JC and the state government at the earliest. Biren appealed the people to forgive the past and work together for a new and developed Manipur. He was speaking at the one-day seminar under the theme Community Harmony Bridging the Gap, organized as part of his reception at Lamka Press Club in Surchanpur district. The seminar was organized jointly by Editors Guild Manipur and Manipur Hill Journalists Union under the aegis of District Administration Surchanpur and was sponsored by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations. CM Biren further said the motto of the new BJP-led government is to bring equal development in both the hills and the valley. He said representatives of the government are inspecting the districts of the states regularly. Government officials visited Tamenglong districts 2 days back and many developmental drawbacks were found. The next visit will be to Surchanpur and Fezwal districts. He said communities in Surchanpur district and CSOs are all set for a reception program of the CM to be held soon after the agreement between the JC and the government. On the other hand, Chief Minister also handed over an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees each to the family members of the 2 deceased in the firing by unknown miscreants at BRTF's vehicle.
Now the time has come for reconciliation. Since the last 600 days, my Surchanpur people are suffering. I do share in your sorrow and worry. The division between the communities within, which is seriously affected the day-to-day lives of the masses. And I don't want to happen it again. And we should not allow to happen it again. Whatever the government can, whatever constitutionally provided to us, we are ready to share with the people of Surchanpur. Let us start a new beginning. Please accept my sincere request and appeal to the people of Surchanpur without hearing the differences between us. There are 33 recognized tribes in Manipur and unrecognized 4 tribes, total 37 tribes. These 37 tribes, including Meiteis and the Nagas and the Kukis, Jaumi, Paite, makes Manipur beautiful, make the uniqueness of the Manipur. We are very sorry what happened in the past and let us forgive and forget the mistakes. Let us start a new Manipur, having equality among us.
Speaker Yumnam Khemchan has alleged that the election in Manipur is equivalent to a market and those who pay more win. He was speaking at the second foundation day of Khundrakpam Kendra Youth Front KKYF at YMC ground Harauro today. Khemchan further said there is a culture of politicians being a punchbag in Manipur when they commit a mistake. He said the public and the politicians need to work hand in hand. The speaker also lauded the efforts of KKYF in bringing the youth to mainstream. He assured of providing schemes to the youth of Khundrakpam. DC of Customs, Excise, Narcotics and Service Tax, West Bengal Ministry of Finance, Government of India, L. Prabhunanda Singh, President of KKYF, James Leshangthem, and many others from the locality took part in the program.
Manipur ni vote si bukan hang bani. Bisa saung yen ngam draba vote ka bagi sakti laite. Hekka ki baga thawak ha pada rupa lakh manga tara kun haurani. Kari ki robo mai changi ba bisa do hanjan na ba. Mathang ki vote ki paisa hang ta ni laiwa ki ga loi kaung thon ba jani vote si. Khuding muksi ki daita si rajniti tawriba amadi praja ani maki samana ba daita na trasini. Di rajniti tawriba singna soiraga praja singna moida da khudomi thinbagi matam si to osi sini. Iba sarkar si ahong makradi ui maramdi Sibaya haidok to retare ado sen jabagi wari yaudre huji afaba sasana malakpa afaba naha semgatpada praja singna niyom chuma vote amakaki mathok tabale ene thamjage.
Parliamentary Secretary of PHED Horticulture and Soil Conservation, MLA of Fungyar, Laisio Kaishing, expressed dissatisfaction at the conditions of Fungyar and areas of Kasomkulen subdivision under Kamjong district. He inspected the hospital, SDO office, police station, government offices, roads and bridges in these areas yesterday and found it to be in deplorable conditions. Electricity have not reached many villages in Fungyar constituency. There is also lack of media and other communication facilities. The police station in Kasomkulen subdivision is run by only 20 personnel. There are inadequate staff in the subdivisional office and the SDC in charge was unavailable during the inspection drive. The government school in Kasomkulen subdivision had 250 students under the care of only 8 teachers. Students told MLA that they resort to private tuitions due to lack of teachers for subjects like mathematics and science. Some primary schools did not even have a single bench or a desk. Laisio Kaishing expressed disappointment for having ignored the constituency for the last 15 to 20 years by the previous government. The minister assured of taking up various developmental projects by consulting the concerned authorities.
Thobalagi Kasom Bhaudi Lambisi, ABCI Hojik contract load Namoin Sari, ADB funding Makada. Masisu slow progress of Sisim Mayam public Singsiam Ware. 1980 Mamang the Haktang Alamani, Adu Matung the D. Amtamangan Mahasi later. Solar lamp house PD. Me Han Mayam Pagito and Duck Continent and Heidi. Africa. India ki Africa ni hai ri. Akoi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na equal development, equal opportunities haiba sida asi area si semgat kani haibji thajable. Thobalde ki Kasom Bhaudi.
Assam, besides bordering areas of Meghalaya as a disturbed area under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act of SPA for 3 more months. In a Gazette notification, the Home Ministry cited violence perpetrated by insurgent groups like Alpha, NDFB and others as the reason for enforcing AFSPA for 3 more months with effect from the 3rd of this month. It said there were 75 incidents of violence in Assam last year in which 33 people, including 4 security personnel, were killed and 14 were abducted. This year, there were 9 violent incidents in which 4 people, including 2 security personnel, were killed. AFSPA has been continuing in Assam since November 1990. In another Gazette notification, the ministry declared 3 districts of Arunachal Pradesh, Tirap, Changlang and Longding, besides areas falling under 16 police stations bordering Assam as disturbed area under AFSPA for 3 more months. The notification said violence by NSN-IM, NSN-K, Alpha, NDFB and others was the reason. AFSPA has been under force in the 3 Arunachal Pradesh districts since January last year. Petroleum product vehicles stranded at Khadkati have urged passage towards Imphal between May 8th to May 11th. They appealed not to attack the tankers on its way to Imphal on these days. The drivers said until a final understanding is reached, the empty tankers and LPG bullets will not proceed. They also appealed not to threaten the drivers. Four-day Wariliba festival, which was held at Haigrupopi Hari Mandir, Mandob, Lanka in Assam in collaboration with Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, that began on May 2nd, concluded yesterday. Program in charge of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, Chongtham Nabachandra chaired the event as chief guest and President of Brahmaputra Valley Branch Sri KSH Vishnu presided the event, which was attended by 7 Wariliba artists from Brahmaputra Valley, Assam and 4 Wariliba artists from Manipur. Certificates were distributed to the 11 Wariliba artists at the event. President of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has revoked the expulsion of Nomaithem Bhagirath Singh, President of Kumbi Block Congress Committee, with immediate effect. People of Karang Island located in Loktak Lake have not been able to own a pata, though they have been living in the place for ages. Speaking to media persons at the island today, convener of Karang Island Homeless Landless Organization Salam Kheda appealed the state government to look into the matter. He said most of the people in the island are poverty-stricken. They depend on fishing for their livelihood and hence are lacking behind in other sectors. Kheda further said relevant departments have not taken any actions despite requests to provide a pata. People of Karang are not able to benefit from the housing, scholarship and other schemes of the government since they do not possess a pata. Salam Kheda appealed the BJP-led state government to look into the matter at the earliest. He also threatened of agitations if their demands are not met. He also appealed the government to repair the roads, schools and health centers of the island.
Akoigi Karangda ngasi bawgi manungda akoigi da loina sotha badagi miyang khudimukta loi sothai 100 ki manungda tasin haragadi 70 jakoi da pata leite maramdi kai ginoibu ngami singsi na ngasagi revenue department da salaga makoina matam mangdana tawdana since from kenudagi horokpasi matam mangba khopusingse makoi da ngamda batasin moi masa thai adagi leiri imungi family ki maintenance tawri adagi ama khudimuk leiri basingsi da makoina moi kaithoga moi satpagi kanu pata panbi khudung sabasi moi pandi aduna maram oidana akoigi leiri ba pata palauda ba akoigi tawri basingse maroina below property line gi makhada leiba mioi ngaktani na akoi tasing haini yam athuba matamda pitokpina busa koina haijeri aduga tasingna masleisda government akoina haijebji tabida taragadi akoisu non violence oiba akoina kongthang amaku sectionduna akoi sangsingagani haitar.
The chopper service from Imphal to Silchar, Aizawl and Dimapur will begin from 24th of this month. Charters will be used from Golden Valley Travel Services under the Ministry of Civil Aviation. It may be mentioned that Cessna Grand Caravan 208, which can accommodate 9 passengers with 2 crew members, began operations in other northeastern states few years back. Speaking to media persons at the office of Golden Valley Travel Service GVT, Sangai Pro, its managing partner CH Jaychandra said the aircraft service will be an advantage during bunds, blockades and landslides.
Not only passenger cargo gi akoi booking gi facility so akoi adam pizeri aduda akoi hojik sector singsida airlines year na pairambadagi withdraw tawkibadagi akoi gi public na yamna inconvenience oiba akoi gi jiri lambi gi Dimapur lambi gi ban blockade adagi landslide mayam singsida akoi na khaitang public ki safa gadrai na akoi na tawjabani mayam na khudong chabis lawbiu amasung government na su karigomba mateng some sort of subsidy jo pibi rakani haibe akoi asa thamjari.
Kohosem has appealed the people not to impose bans and blockades. In a press release, Kohosem said evaluation of the Higher Secondary Education Examination 2017 papers has begun on April 22nd. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back, viewers. Let's see what else made news this Saturday. JAC formed against the murder of Lunglai Liu Rongmei has demanded stern actions against the culprits involved. Volunteers of the JAC and family members of the deceased stormed the Lamphel police station this afternoon. A team of police led by Additional SP Law and Order Imphal West requested for some time to prepare a complete charge sheet. Co-convener of the JAC, Panti Gomei, told Impact News that Lunglai Liu's death is suspicious. It is believed that the husband and the mother-in-law of the deceased are involved. She said they will not claim the dead body unless the case is looked into and solved by a team of experts. It may be mentioned that Lunglai Liu Rongmei, wife of Inaucha from Chingmerong Kabuikul, was found dead in a very suspicious condition. The deceased's throat was slit. The husband, mother-in-law and sister-in-law are currently in the custody of Lamphel police station.
demand adudi mihai pasi thuna puthoraga sarshit thuna frame tawraga matik sabadandi Delhi ge gang rape ta thoki bugumna anupi msa sigi asisu saira akan ma hakpa saira to pina na ba khoina demand tawjari bani police na sarshit se thuna frame tawbiraga अथुबम तमना ट्रायल्स चथाबीनबा अखोय मयाम से सीसीदा प्रोटेस्ट औरगा लेबिनी नतर इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर से डीएसपी दिगी मखा ताहनबी करू.
A man was found dead in a suspicious manner at a rehabilitation center in Kangchup Kharam Thadoi in the wee hours of yesterday. He has been identified as a 35-year-old Konjangbam David Maite, also known as Tenau, son of K. Ibocho from Uripo Horombam Lekai. The body was found near a hillock 200 meters away from the rehabilitation center. Bruises were found all over his body. Family members said he was kept at the New Light De-Addiction Center from last month. Bhajan, owner of the rehab center, called the family members at 5 in the morning yesterday to inform that Tenau and another person from the center have escaped. Later, Lamsang police station informed the family members of his death. The dead body has been picked up by the police and is at Rims morgue. Family members suspect a murder by a group of people. Locals of Uripo Horombam Lekai staged a sit-in near Rims. They will not accept the dead body until the truth is found. Month-long observation of Mahusa Ima Ningsing Tha by Royal Riders Manipur kicked off today. Poster and sticker campaigns were conducted at DM College campus, Lamlong, Kongba, Singjamai, Pishumthong, Tera, Naurimthong and Rimsgate with a message to protect nature. Leiho Nungho Shanglen has appealed the new BJP-led government and concerned departments to construct the Pakhangba Kangla Telon inside Kangla. The construction was announced to the people by the previous government on August 27, 2007. Manipur State Park Company Limited, in a press release, informs that areas under 33 kV from Mongsangai to Kagwa line will be shut down on May 8 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for maintenance. There will be total shutdown at 33 by 11 kV substation Laimakong on the same day as well from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. for installation of voltage transfer. And in some sports news, Neroka FC Sangafam defeated Lone Star Kashmir FC 1-0 in the 18th match of the 2nd Division League played today at Kumalam Park Main Stadium. For the winners, T.H. Saran converted a penalty in the 84th minute. Neroka is at 14 points on the table from 6 matches. Host Neroka will play Fateh Hyderabad FC on 14th May at Kumalam Park Main Stadium. And before we end, the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assures of reaching an agreement between Surchanpur JSE and the government at the earliest. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan alleges that election in Manipur is equivalent to market and those who pay more win. Phungyar MLA Laisho Kaishing blames previous government for non-development of Phungyar constituency. Centre declares Assam as a disturbed area under the Armed Force Special Powers Act for 3 more months. And Neroka FC Sangafam beat Lone Star Kashmir FC 1-0 in the 2nd Division League.